Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I am fresh faced for you today because we are going to be doing a get ready with me video. I always loved watching these videos on YouTube when I was younger. I feel like they're just like classic YouTube videos. Some people still make them and I think they're really fun, so I just thought I'd make one for you today. So the makeup look that I'm gonna be doing is just like my everyday, really basic makeup, except there is a catch. I forgot my beauty blender at school. I use a beauty blender religiously, so we're gonna improvise. I have a paintbrush. And like the little foam circle thing that came in this Maybelline Fit Me powder. So that's gonna be that. But yeah, I just wanted to take you guys through my makeup routine because I thought it would be fun. And yeah, so without further ado, let's just get started. So my first step before putting any makeup on is moisturizing. I think it is so important to moisturize before you put makeup on. And clearly you could tell how much I moisturize because I'm running really low. I think it's really important to not just moisturize your face, but your lips as well. That's why I'm applying a chapstick before putting on any makeup. Next, I am going in with my Smashbox primer. I always use primer. It helps make your makeup last longer, and it helps really give a nice smooth finish to your makeup. Even if I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, I always put on primer. Then I'm going in with my Born This Way Too Faced foundation, and this is in the shade Ivory. I'm sad because I forgot my beauty blender, so I'm just making do with this random little makeup sponge. But yeah, it's really important to blend your makeup in and make sure that the foundation isn't streaky, so that's why I love using a beauty blender because I think it just makes this process really easy. Then I'm going in with my Garnier Anti-Aging Concealer. I love using this concealer. It has a little roller ball, so it's super easy to apply, and I just put it in a little triangle shape underneath my eye. Again, blending is really important, so I'll normally go in with my beauty blender and just make sure that everything is blended in really nicely. After everything is nice and blended, I am going in with this Cocoa Contour Palette by Too Faced, and I'm actually using it as eyeshadow today. So I'm going in with my blending brush from Sephora and just making sure that the color is really packed in, but also really blended because I don't want it to look funny in my creases. And then I'm going into that same palette and I'm actually grabbing the lighter color and I'm packing that onto my lids. Well, actually I'm singing, but then I'm packing it onto my lids. Next, I'm grabbing my Urban Decay makeup palette and I'm grabbing the color Sin and I'm packing that onto my eyelids. It's a really nice pigmented sparkly color and I think it's really perfect for an everyday look. Then I'm just going back into my creases and making sure that everything is nice and smooth. Then I'll be grabbing my eyelash curler. No matter how many times I use this thing, it always freaks me out. I feel like I'm gonna get my eyeball caught in it, but beauty is pain, right? Then I'm grabbing my Bad Gal Lash Mascara. I absolutely love this mascara. Look at the difference between one eye that has it and the one eye that doesn't. It makes such a difference. I seriously recommend this mascara. It's amazing. After I'm done singing, I will be grabbing my Anastasia brow brush. I absolutely love this product. It's really easy to apply to the eyebrows and makes such a difference, as you could see. After I go in and fill both my eyebrows, I'm going in with a spoolie just so I can blend out the color so it's not too hard. Time to contour. I'm using that same palette as before and I'm just blending the bronze color on my cheekbones and the upper corners of my forehead. Then I'll be blending it with my kabuki brush to make sure everything is smooth. Next, I will be taking my Tarte blush and just applying that to my cheeks and my nose for some color. Now I'm using my Urban Decay Makeup Setting Spray. I'm obsessed with this stuff. I use it daily. I'm actually running low. I need to go buy some more. Then I'm going in with my favorite color of lipstick and lip gloss. I picked both of these up from Ulta. I seriously love this color. It's perfect for fall. And now I am finishing up with translucent powder. I'm running really low on this as well, as you can see. Then I will be grabbing my fan brush and my Milani highlighter. I'm obsessed with this highlighter. It's amazing. And I'm just going to be applying that to my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going in with Bad Gal Lash Mascara one more time for my lower lashes. And just like that, we are done with our makeup look. This is my finished makeup look. I realize that it is a lot of makeup for a no makeup look, but yeah, this is just my basically go-to makeup look that I just wear pretty much not every day because I don't wear makeup to class or if I'm just running around, but like if I have to take pictures or if I'm like going somewhere, like if I'm going out to a bar or something, like this is the makeup that I throw together. And yeah, This lighting though, ooh. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I am wearing today in my other mirror, and then that will conclude my get ready with me video. So I'm gonna apologize in advance. This mirror is a little dusty dust. Probably should have cleaned that off before I filmed this, but oh well. So my whole entire outfit is from Redone. So this t-shirt is basically like vintage inspired and it's super, super cute. And then these jeans are from Redone as well. They're basically repurposed Levi jeans. So every single pair of their jeans are unique. So this is just like my chill little outfit for today, and this is my makeup look, and I'm just gonna rock the ponytail. I normally do a ponytail when I'm doing my makeup just so my hair is out of my face, but I think it fits this little look, so I'm just gonna rock that today. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me. Sorry that I forgot my beauty blender. That's kind of like embarrassing. Tries to do a makeup routine, forgets a key component of the makeup routine. Oh well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to film it like the best that I could. I feel like it's kind of hard to film you doing your makeup when your mirror's here and your camera's here and you're like, ah, like where do I look, where do I go? This is how I normally look, so I feel like it turned out okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll be linking Redone down below so you guys can check out this shirt and their other jeans that they have. Everything is super cute, really high quality, and I absolutely love their clothing, so definitely check them out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.